낚시는 산티아고의 일상이었습니다.
Fishing was Santiago's daily routine. Fishing was Santiago's daily routine. Fishing was Santiago's daily routine.
그는 청새치를 잡는 꿈을 꾸었습니다.
He dreamed of catching a marlin. He dreamed of catching a marlin. He dreamed of catching a marlin.
노인은 결심했다.
The old man was determined. The old man was determined. The old man was determined.
그는 용기 있게 도전에 직면했습니다.
He faced challenges with courage. He faced challenges with courage. He faced challenges with courage.
바다는 광활하고 신비로웠다.
The sea was vast and mysterious. The sea was vast and mysterious. The sea was vast and mysterious.
산티아고의 배 이름은 스키프였습니다.
Santiago's boat was named Skiff. Santiago's boat was named Skiff. Santiago's boat was named Skiff.
그는 긴 여행을 준비했습니다.
He prepared for a long journey. He prepared for a long journey. He prepared for a long journey.
그 노인은 낙관적이었습니다.
The old man was optimistic. The old man was optimistic. The old man was optimistic.
태양이 지평선에 키스했습니다.
The sun kissed the horizon. The sun kissed the horizon. The sun kissed the horizon.
바다새들이 머리 위를 열심히 돌았습니다.
Seabirds circled overhead eagerly. Seabirds circled overhead eagerly. Seabirds circled overhead eagerly.
산티아고는 물린 느낌을 받았습니다.
Santiago felt a bite. Santiago felt a bite. Santiago felt a bite.
투쟁은 치열하게 시작되었습니다.
The struggle began fiercely. The struggle began fiercely. The struggle began fiercely.
물고기는 강력하고 교활했습니다.
The fish was powerful and cunning. The fish was powerful and cunning. The fish was powerful and cunning.
산티아고의 손은 안정되어 있었다.
Santiago's hands were steady. Santiago's hands were steady. Santiago's hands were steady.
그는 용감하게 전투를 견뎌냈습니다.
He endured the battle bravely. He endured the battle bravely. He endured the battle bravely.
항복하지 않고 몇 시간이 지났습니다.
Hours passed without surrender. Hours passed without surrender. Hours passed without surrender.
물고기는 쉴 새 없이 싸웠다.
The fish fought relentlessly. The fish fought relentlessly. The fish fought relentlessly.
산티아고는 그 힘에 감탄했습니다.
Santiago admired its strength. Santiago admired its strength. Santiago admired its strength.
그들은 두 명이 숙련된 적이었습니다.
They were two skilled adversaries. They were two skilled adversaries. They were two skilled adversaries.
노인은 굳건히 버텼다.
The old man persevered strongly. The old man persevered strongly. The old man persevered strongly.
그의 손은 아프지만 단단했다.
His hands were sore but firm. His hands were sore but firm. His hands were sore but firm.
결단력이 그의 정신에 활력을 불어넣었습니다.
Determination fueled his spirit. Determination fueled his spirit. Determination fueled his spirit.
청새치는 위풍당당하게 뛰어올랐다.
The marlin leapt majestically. The marlin leapt majestically. The marlin leapt majestically.
산티아고의 심장은 흥분으로 뛰었다.
Santiago's heart raced with excitement. Santiago's heart raced with excitement. Santiago's heart raced with excitement.
그 투쟁은 그의 인내력을 시험했습니다.
The struggle tested his endurance. The struggle tested his endurance. The struggle tested his endurance.
물고기의 크기는 경외심을 불러일으켰습니다.
The fish's size was awe-inspiring. The fish's size was awe-inspiring. The fish's size was awe-inspiring.
산티아고는 그 웅장함을 칭찬했습니다.
Santiago praised its magnificence. Santiago praised its magnificence. Santiago praised its magnificence.
전투는 쉴 새 없이 계속됐다.
The battle continued relentlessly. The battle continued relentlessly. The battle continued relentlessly.
태양이 하강하기 시작했습니다.
The sun began its descent. The sun began its descent. The sun began its descent.
산티아고는 점점 지쳐가는 것을 느꼈습니다.
Santiago felt exhaustion creeping. Santiago felt exhaustion creeping. Santiago felt exhaustion creeping.
그러나 그는 양보를 거부했습니다.
Yet, he refused to yield. Yet, he refused to yield. Yet, he refused to yield.
물고기는 놀라운 회복력을 보여주었습니다.
The fish displayed remarkable resilience. The fish displayed remarkable resilience. The fish displayed remarkable resilience.
산티아고의 끈기는 감탄스러웠다.
Santiago's persistence was admirable. Santiago's persistence was admirable. Santiago's persistence was admirable.
어둠이 드넓은 바다를 품었습니다.
Darkness embraced the vast ocean. Darkness embraced the vast ocean. Darkness embraced the vast ocean.
별들이 밤하늘을 장식했습니다.
Stars adorned the night sky. Stars adorned the night sky. Stars adorned the night sky.
산티아고의 힘은 흔들리지 않았습니다.
Santiago's strength was unwavering. Santiago's strength was unwavering. Santiago's strength was unwavering.
그는 낚싯줄을 붙잡았습니다.
He held on to the fishing line. He held on to the fishing line. He held on to the fishing line.
달빛에 물고기가 떠올랐다.
The fish surfaced in the moonlight. The fish surfaced in the moonlight. The fish surfaced in the moonlight.
산티아고의 눈은 승리로 빛났다.
Santiago's eyes gleamed with triumph. Santiago's eyes gleamed with triumph. Santiago's eyes gleamed with triumph.
청새치의 은빛 비늘이 반짝거렸다.
The marlin's silver scales shimmered. The marlin's silver scales shimmered. The marlin's silver scales shimmered.
승리는 산티아고의 손에 달려 있었습니다.
Victory was within Santiago's grasp. Victory was within Santiago's grasp. Victory was within Santiago's grasp.
노인은 깊은 만족감을 느꼈습니다.
The old man felt a deep satisfaction. The old man felt a deep satisfaction. The old man felt a deep satisfaction.
그 여정은 힘들었지만 보람이 있었습니다.
The journey was arduous but rewarding. The journey was arduous but rewarding. The journey was arduous but rewarding.
산티아고는 강력한 청새치를 정복했습니다.
Santiago conquered the mighty marlin. Santiago conquered the mighty marlin. Santiago conquered the mighty marlin.
바다는 그의 영광스러운 승리를 목격했습니다.
The sea witnessed his glorious triumph. The sea witnessed his glorious triumph. The sea witnessed his glorious triumph.
산티아고는 고귀한 물고기에게 감사를 표했습니다.
Santiago thanked the noble fish. Santiago thanked the noble fish. Santiago thanked the noble fish.
존경심이 파도를 타고 울려 퍼졌습니다.
Respect echoed through the waves. Respect echoed through the waves. Respect echoed through the waves.
노인은 잡은 물고기에게 말했습니다.
The old man spoke to his catch. The old man spoke to his catch. The old man spoke to his catch.
진심으로 감사의 마음을 전했습니다.
He expressed gratitude sincerely. He expressed gratitude sincerely. He expressed gratitude sincerely.
산티아고는 집으로 돌아갈 준비를 했다.
Santiago prepared to head home. Santiago prepared to head home. Santiago prepared to head home.
그 여정에는 어려움도 있었습니다.
The journey had its share of challenges. The journey had its share of challenges. The journey had its share of challenges.
편주는 밤새도록 항해했습니다.
The skiff sailed through the night. The skiff sailed through the night. The skiff sailed through the night.
산티아고는 고독을 받아들였습니다.
Santiago embraced the solitude. Santiago embraced the solitude. Santiago embraced the solitude.
바다는 회복력에 대한 이야기를 속삭였습니다.
The sea whispered tales of resilience. The sea whispered tales of resilience. The sea whispered tales of resilience.
두 팔을 벌려 집이 기다리고 있었습니다.
Home awaited with open arms. Home awaited with open arms. Home awaited with open arms.
산티아고는 겸손하게 다가갔습니다.
Santiago approached with humility. Santiago approached with humility. Santiago approached with humility.
마을에서는 그의 엄적을 인정했다.
The village recognized his achievement. The village recognized his achievement. The village recognized his achievement.
어부들은 그의 이야기에 놀랐습니다.
Fishermen marveled at his tale. Fisherman marveled at his tale. Fisherman marveled at his tale.
산티아고의 모험은 전설이 되었습니다.
Santiago's adventure became legendary. Santiago's adventure became legendary. Santiago's adventure became legendary.
그 소녀는 그를 따뜻하게 맞이했다.
The boy greeted him warmly. The boy greeted him warmly. The boy greeted him warmly.
마놀리는 노인의 힘을 존경했습니다.
Manolin admired the old man's strength. Manolin admired the old man's strength. Manolin admired the old man's strength.
산티아고는 영감의 원천이 되었습니다.
Santiago became a source of inspiration. Santiago became a source of inspiration. Santiago became a source of inspiration.
그들 사이의 유대는 더욱 깊어졌습니다.
The bond between them deepened. The bond between them deepened. The bond between them deepened.
바다는 끝없는 춤을 계속했다.
The sea continued its endless dance. The sea continued its endless dance. The sea continued its endless dance.
산티아고는 마침내 평화롭게 쉬었습니다.
Santiago rested, at peace finally. Santiago rested, at peace finally. Santiago rested, at peace finally.
청새치의 꿈은 계속되었습니다.
Dreams of the marlin lingered. Dreams of the marlin lingered. Dreams of the marlin lingered.
마을은 산티아고를 크게 존경했습니다.
The village respected Santiago greatly. The village respected Santiago greatly. The village respected Santiago greatly.
그의 이야기는 산불처럼 퍼졌습니다.
His story spread like wildfire. His story spread like wildfire. His story spread like wildfire.
산티아고의 유산은 영원히 새겨졌습니다.
Santiago's legacy was etched forever. Santiago's legacy was etched forever. Santiago's legacy was etched forever.
그는 그 소년에게 지혜를 나누었습니다.
He shared wisdom with the boy. He shared wisdom with the boy. He shared wisdom with the boy.
마놀리는 모든 단어를 열심히 흡수했습니다.
Manolin absorbed every word eagerly. Manolin absorbed every word eagerly. Manolin absorbed every word eagerly.
바다에는 비밀과 교훈이 있었습니다.
The sea held secrets and lessons. The sea held secrets and lessons. The sea held secrets and lessons.
산티아고의 정신은 불굴의 정신이었습니다.
Santiago's spirit was indomitable. Santiago's spirit was indomitable. Santiago's spirit was indomitable.
마을에서는 그의 귀환을 축하했다.
The village celebrated his return. The village celebrated his return. The village celebrated his return.
산티아고는 새로운 영광을 누렸습니다.
Santiago basked in newfound glory. Santiago basked in newfound glory. Santiago basked in newfound glory.
그는 겸손하고 현명했습니다.
He remained humble and wise. He remained humble and wise. he remained humble and wise.
소녀는 산티아고의 회복력에 감탄했습니다.
The boy admired Santiago's resilience. The boy admired Santiago's resilience. The boy admired Santiago's resilience.
노인은 그들의 유대를 소중히 여겼습니다.
The old man cherished their bond. The old man cherished their bond. The old man cherished their bond.
마을 생활은 계속됐다.
Life in the village continued. Life in the village continued. Life in the village continued.
산티아고의 이야기는 젊은 마음에 영감을 주었습니다.
Santiago's tales inspired young hearts. Santiago's tales inspired young hearts. Santiago's tales inspired young hearts.
마놀리는 이야기를 앞으로 나아갔습니다.
Manolin carried the stories forward. Manolin carried the stories forward. Manolin carried the stories forward.
바다는 세대가 지나가는 것을 목격했습니다.
The sea witnessed generations pass. The sea witnessed generations pass. The sea witnessed generations pass.
산티아고의 영혼은 바람처럼 머물렀다.
Santiago's spirit lingered like the wind. Santiago's spirit lingered like the wind. Santiago's spirit lingered like the wind.
마을은 이야기에 의해 형성되어 번성했습니다.
The village thrived, shaped by stories. The village thrived, shaped by stories. The village thrived, shaped by stories.
편주는 승리의 상징인 휴식을 취했습니다.
The skiff rested, a symbol of triumph. The skiff rested, a symbol of triumph. The skiff rested, a symbol of triumph.
산티아고의 존재는 시간을 통해 울려 퍼졌습니다.
Santiago's presence echoed through time. Santiago's presence echoed through time. Santiago's presence echoed through time.
소녀는 숙련된 어부로 성장했습니다.
The boy grew into a skilled fisherman. The boy grew into a skilled fisherman. The boy grew into a skilled fisherman.
산티아고의 가르침은 항상 그를 인도했습니다.
Santiago's teachings guided him always. Santiago's teachings guided him always. Santiago's teachings guided him always.
바다는 과거와 현재를 품고 있다.
The sea embraced past and present. The sea embraced past and present. The sea embraced past and present.
산티아고의 유산은 민속이 되었습니다.
Santiago's legacy became folklore. Santiago's legacy became folklore. Santiago's legacy became folklore.
마을 사람들은 그를 좋게 기억했다.
The village remembered him fondly. The village remembered him fondly. The village remembered him fondly.
소녀는 자랑스럽게 산티아고의 이야기를 들려주었다.
The boy told Santiago's tale proudly. The boy told Santiago's tale proudly. The boy told Santiago's tale proudly.
바다는 용기 있는 이야기를 속삭였습니다.
The sea whispered stories of courage. The sea whispered stories of courage. The sea whispered stories of courage.
산티아고의 영혼은 파도와 함께 항해했습니다.
Santiago's spirit sailed with the waves. Santiago's spirit sailed with the waves. Santiago's spirit sailed with the waves.
소녀는 노인을 존경했습니다.
The boy honored the old man. The boy honored the old man. The boy honored the old man.
편죽과 증거로 서 있었습니다.
The skiff stood as a testament. The skiff stood as a testament. The skiff stood as a testament.
산티아고의 여정은 영원히 울려 퍼졌습니다.
Santiago's journey resonated eternally. Santiago's journey resonated eternally. Santiago's journey resonated eternally.
마을은 그의 영감을 받아 번성했습니다.
The village thrived, inspired by him. The village thrived, inspired by him. The village thrived, inspired by him.
바다는 산티아고의 추억을 품고 있었다.
The sea cradled Santiago's memories. The sea cradled Santiago's memories. The sea cradled Santiago's memories.
헤밍웨이의 걸작이 살아남았습니다.
Hemingway's masterpiece lived on. Hemingway's masterpiece lived on. Hemingway's masterpiece lived on.